Hey folks, this is Manuel from Steadybit. In this video, we want to cover the high-level architecture of Steadybit to make you aware of the important concepts in Steadybit and what you need to install in order to do chaos engineering. On the left-hand side, you see the Steadybit platform, which is the center of control for you to create and run chaos engineering experiments. It is available as SaaS, or you can also use the on-premise version where you install the platform in your own data center, in your own cloud provider. And this way you can do chaos engineering with Steadybit fully air-gapped without any connection to us or to the internet needed. And then on the right-hand side, you see basically the customer infrastructure. So your infrastructure that you want to test, your system under test. And in order to support that with Steadybit, you need to install an agent only once per network boundary so that the agent is able to establish an HTTPS and WebSocket connection to the Steadybit platform on the one side and also to all of the different extensions on the other side. And the extensions are where we are adding chaos engineering to your infrastructure and where we are supporting different kind of technologies in order to enable chaos engineering. And the nice part about all these extensions are that they are really small, lightweight Go scripts, so they are not adding a much resource consumption in your infrastructure, and they are also developed as open source. So whenever you want to add something to the extensions that we are providing, or you even want to develop your own extension in order to integrate some proprietary technology or some previous build your own chaos engineering into Steadybit, that's easily possible by just developing another extension and integrating that via HTTP to the Steadybit agent. Just to get a feeling of which extensions are already provided from Steadybit, we have the Steadybit Reliability Hub, where you can see on the extension a list of all provided extensions. You can see that we are providing extensions for public cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and GCP. We are providing chaos engineering also for containers, Kubernetes environment, as well as Linux host environments. Then we can also integrate with the observability tools like Datadog, Dynatrace, Instana, New Relic, as well as Prometheus in order to check for metrics or monitoring states before, while, or after an attack is happening to your system. We also integrate with load tests to make it also possible to do chaos engineering on pre-production environments, as well as integrating with, for instance, Istio, Kong, or Java-based applications. So to summarize, yes, Steadybit can be used in a SaaS solution as well as in an on-premise case. And also Steadybit is really flexible, allowing you to extend it by using the same development kits that we have used in order to support common technologies, and this way making it easy to adjust Steadybit to your needs. Check it out and take care.